Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're one of the millions using Cash App, you're in for a treat because today we're breaking down how to handle your taxes directly through the app in 2025. With new updates making it even easier, you can file your taxes quickly and securely without the hassle of traditional methods. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Cash App is up to date. Head to your App Store, update to the latest version for 2025, and log in. This ensures you have access to all the new tax features, like enhanced security and simplified forms. Once you're set, navigate to the Taxes section in the app. It's usually found under the Money or Services tab. Here, you'll see options to start your tax filing. Cash App partners with trusted tax services, so you can import your transaction history automatically. That's a huge time saver. Next, link your bank accounts or other financial sources. This step pulls in your income, expenses, and deductions. Double-check everything for accuracy. Remember, 2025 brings updated thresholds for deductions, so verify against IRS guidelines. Now, enter any additional details, like dependents or credits. The app's user-friendly interface will guide you through questions with prompts and explanations. Take your time here to avoid errors. Once you're done, review your return thoroughly before hitting submit. After filing, track your refund status right in the app. Cash App notifies you via push alerts, and you can even set up direct deposit for faster access. Pro tip: always enable two-factor authentication for extra security, especially when dealing with sensitive info like taxes. And there you have it. Filing taxes on Cash App is straightforward and stress-free. If you're new to this, give it a try for 2025 and save yourself some headaches. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more money-saving tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.